Welcome to Focus Android YouTube channel. This video is about how to delete theme in WordPress. So the first step is open our WordPress dashboard. Then on the left we select Appearance. Here you will see all the themes that you are currently actively using and the themes that you have installed but not activated. Here I will delete the themes that I don't use anymore. The way we do it is by clicking on the theme's details, and at the bottom you will see the option to delete. Just click delete, and if it appears like this, click OK, and now you have successfully deleted the themes. You can repeat this process to delete other themes. I hope you found this video useful. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated and see you in the next video.